poppin', guys? I'm Billy, and today you're gonna learn the heel flip. Guys, so today you're gonna be learning the heel flip. This is low-key one of my favorite tricks. I used to do it all the time when I was younger. I used to do it off a bunch of things, man. It's just one of those tricks that to me looks just nice. It's fairly simple, but you also wanna have at least your ollie down, like I'm gonna say before in the last video. You wanna have your ollie. It's just something you're gonna need for almost every freaking trick. I know you're gonna need that. So, if you got a strong ollie, stay on this video. Okay, so let's get down. There's gonna be foot placement, what's happening in the motion of it, and what you wanna do, what you wanna do to keep it landing. Basically, I'm gonna show you something. I don't know if I can see this. See this area? All right, goofy. If you're regular, it might be this area. But this is the front of my board. Y'all gonna focus on this area of your board or this area, depending if you're goofy or regular. If you're goofy, this area, regular, this area. That is how you're gonna always get your trick to flick for this. If you want your heel flip to flick right and precise, without you going either too up or too forward, then yeah, you wanna do that. Let's see what else. I want you to have a good center of gravity. I want you to be pretty good on the board. Like you see how I was setting my feet, pretty weird. You don't want to fall over, not be able to balance or something like that. You want to be pretty stable on the board, because you're going to be doing a bunch, to be honest. What else? Don't be afraid to fall. Do not be afraid to fall. You're not going to get this first try unless you're just what do they call them? Prodigies. Unless you're just a prodigy skateboarder that nobody's ever heard of. You're not gonna get this first try, you might not get a second try, you might not get a fifth try, you might not get a 10th try. So, just keep practicing. But, that being said, let's get now with foot placement. My feet usually is about right here. That's normally good for me. I have a pretty big board, I ride an 825. Depending on what you ride and how big you are, you might wanna have it a little more farther forward. It might be back just like me, but I do it about right here. So I get a nice, pretty good flick. I bring my board, my foot up to about right there. That's why you'll see this, and the side of my board, I flick that. I'm flicking that, I'm getting a good flick off of it, because my foot is about like this. My back foot, it doesn't have to be, it's really preference for you on how you can stay stable, because you want to get a nice pop, like if you're ollie. You want to get a nice, very good pop, because if you get a nice pop, you're going to flick it good, and you're going to have more time to catch it. But I put mine like right here, maybe, sometimes more straight. It all depends on how I'm feeling. But that should be like how you're doing it. If you're regular, it's basically the same thing. This is my switch, but same thing, just like that. That's how you want to stand. Put your foot, because you're going to be doing the same motion. Ooh, see? Flicking off. Yeah. When you get that motion down, basically foot placement and motion. You see this? I was doing a lot of heel flips earlier, so you probably see it, but after you get the foot placement down, you might want to do it like in a crack, like how I'm doing it. If you have a good ollie, you could probably go straight to the next step, but practice doing this and also flicking it. You see that? Practice how to do that. Practice getting that a lot. Do it a bunch of times to where you feel comfortable, and you can always land it with one foot. Because that's the only real problem with getting this, getting both feet on the board. As soon as you learn to keep both your feet good, learn to get your back foot, depending on which one it is, learn to get your back foot to come with both feet, you'll be good. You'll be able to land it right away, easy, just like you see the pros do. So, that being said, I want to see you maybe sit in a crack if you're a little unstable. If you're fine, I want you to ride. If you ride, I feel like you'll get a better, you get a better pop. That wasn't too big of a good example, but you see what I mean. I feel like you get a better pop. You get to have more time to catch your board when you pop it too. That's what you're going to pay attention to. You're going to keep your eyes on the board until you really get it muscle memory. Some people can just do it, pop a heel flip without even looking. But so you get it down, pay attention, because you think it's fast, but you can catch it. Your eye can catch it. So you practice that. You sit there, maybe take 30 minutes to an hour. It's really flicking and flicking and flicking, getting down where you want to flick at. And after that, continue to practice the trick together. Do all the motions. Pop, flick, and after that, that motion in between both of those is just jumping, so your board could actually pop, you know. You want to pop your board. That's all you need to have. You get that down? Oh yeah, one more thing. I probably said this already. Really good balance. Please don't try this if you don't have really good balance, because you might hurt yourself a little too much and get frustrated. But just get your balance up there. It's gonna help you a lot. Just ride around a lot, you know, even, I'll talk about this more, but there are ways to get your balance better. Not even using, it's like using a skateboard, but not even with the wheels. I'll teach you later. But yeah, get your balance down. Ride a lot around. Go to skate parks to ride down ramps and get used to stuff like that. Because the more you do that, the more comfortable you'll be with a board, and you'll learn tricks faster. I'm telling you, you will learn them so much faster than just be like that. And you'll be so happy to just be popping out tricks. Oh, I just learned a trick from today. I just learned a trick from today. It's crazy. So yes, get your balance down, kids. Get your balance down, adults. Whoever's learning this, whoever's watching this video, get your balance down. Okay, next step. Hey, before we go on to the next step, like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. You know, I do a lot of tutorials, and if you like this video and how I explain other ones, I got how to kickflip videos, how to do other videos. They're pretty good. But yeah, let's get back into it. What I said, I was talking about the motion, the popping, the flicking, and the jumping. Practice that a lot. And after you go out and practice for maybe a day, you might get it sooner, you might get it longer. It all depends on the person. But after you practice it really for a good day, I'm telling you, you'll learn it, and it'll be like muscle memory the more you practice it after you learn it. And then it'll be probably your favorite tricks, just like it's mine. So, that being said, I want you to go out and practice everything I said today. That's all skating really is. I'm just gonna give you the foot placement, what you're doing in the motion, and how to get it together, what you want to think in your head maybe while you're doing it. And that's about it. Like, skating is all about the skater. You practice it, you practice it, you practice it, because it doesn't just come right off the bat. It doesn't. You see pro skaters do a lot of things. You probably think that, oh, you're supposed to learn that fast. You're not. You're good. You're gonna learn fast, and then you'll be looking good just like them. So get on the board, practice, and let me know how this was for you. Put it down in the comment section if this was helpful or not. You know, I'll do other videos. Ask me for other tricks too, because I'm happy to do a lot of other tricks that I know. I got my arsenal. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, it's Billy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. And we're out.